Hello, welcome to Best Friends Dog Training Videos. In this video, we'll teach you how to train your dog to love their crate. Crate training your dog brings enormous benefits to both you and your pet. Crates can make your dogs feel safe and comfortable, help us potty train them, and prevent destructive behaviors in the home. They can also be very useful in emergency situations. When trained correctly, most dogs enjoy some quiet time in their crate. Begin by placing a few treats in the rear of the crate and leave the door open. If she needs more encouragement, you can create a treat trail. If your dog won't enter for any treats, feed her her meals as close to the crate as she will go. Slowly over the course of a few meals, bring the bowl closer to the crate, then just inside the crate, and slowly to the back of the crate. Once she will fully enter the crate, move on to the following steps. When your dog is comfortably coming in and out of the crate, point into the crate and toss a treat from the hand you are using to point. Practice this 10 times. Now, point into the crate, but this time, do not toss a treat from that hand. Don't point over and over. Simply point once, hold it, and wait. If your dog goes into the crate, praise her a lot, and give her a treat from your other hand that you have not been using to point. If she does not enter for pointing, go back to step 2. Next, stand next to the crate. Say, "Crate," in a cheerful, clear voice, and then point to the crate. Once she enters, praise her and give treats from the hand that you did not use to point. Practice this 10 times. After doing that, stand next to the crate, say "Crate," and do not point. Say the cue only one time, and wait for her to go into the crate. Practice this 10 times. If she does not go into the crate, return to the previous step for a few times before trying this step again. When she's going into the crate for the verbal cue, then you can begin to briefly shut the door when she enters and toss an extra special treat into the crate. Allow her to eat it, then open the door again so she can exit. Gradually increase the time that your dog is in the crate with the door closed. An easy way to accomplish this is to give the dog a stuffed frozen Kong or food puzzle to keep her occupied. While your dog is in the crate, begin to leave the room for short periods of time while she is working on her Kong or puzzle. Make sure that the crate is comfortable with blankets and toys if your dog will not ingest or destroy them. Gradually increase the time that your dog can be in the crate without you there. It's important that we never force a dog into a crate or use them as a punishment, since the crate should feel like a safe place for your pet. Happy training!